Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play with your friends in Monopoly Go. So don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin, and let's dive in. So the first thing we need to do, we need to go and open Monopoly Go here. Go and choose the game and open it and wait a few seconds until the game is opening and this bar gets to the end to 100%. Now once you're here in this interface or in the main menu of the game, you need to click on friends here, and then as you can see we got this section that called add friends. You must add friends by using the contacts, your phone number, or you can invite a friend by clicking on this button and you will get a link. Clicking on invite, the orange button, you can share this link with your friends in order to invite them to be in your friends list. So once you get your friends, go back here, go back once again, and then as you can see here, this box, click on it. In here, this is the community chest. You need to add 5 friends, and once you add them, you can play with your friends in the community chest. That's how you can play online with your friends on Monopoly Go. So please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.